One.
Hello guys, today in video, I'm actually the host this time, not him, because, I don't know actually, but still, what are you doing? Why are you just behind me? You're creepy. Okay, we're gonna be going to see if the landmine field is new or not. We haven't actually checked it out yet. We did check out that, but of course I wasn't in a video for that one. But he actually did make a video about, bro, stop. He did make a video about it, so, if you're not knowing what I'm looking at, it's the cave. We haven't checked out the sewers, but that might be another video. But that's it. That's mostly what we're doing, going through the landmine field.
Yeah, and I do want to say something about last video. I did accidentally miss an item that was added in the video, so I'm gonna go show you all it. I don't own it personally, but it was still an item that was added. So the item is I don't even know how to say that. Make some music or weird noises. So I'm guessing it's basically like a noise emitter or something. I don't really know. But yeah, the main new item is this gun that everybody's like. I've seen like 50 videos about this gun. Alright, anyways.
Okay, let me get my weapon. Hey, at least I'm not wasting money. It's good enough.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be. Actually, here. Let me give you my pickaxe for this video because you're gonna be the host. So you're gonna be doing all the fighting.
What? Okay. Oh, thanks, bro. I haven't seen one of these in a while.
You owe me double at the end of the video. No, I didn't say anything.
Are we going?
Yeah, I went bouncy.
Let's do this.
On the lava.
Yeah, it's pretty funny how we can bounce on it.
Yeah.
Hang on. First of all, we're gonna go check up there because we want to know if the shop's there.
He's gonna make his epic entrance. Raw VR.
Oh.
No shop still?
No shop, but the music thing's here.
Yippee!
I'm gonna put this on my back, okay? Actually, nah. Hang on, you're the one with the light. You can't leave me.
Okay, I guess I'll go in front of you the whole time.
I forgot my light at home.
Ignore the beeping noise in the background if you... I have to.
Okay, it looks different, I think. Yeah, I don't remember the big cube being here. Anything? Oh, it's different, I think. It's different.
We have to get down there. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Watch out, he's right there.
Sticker. Where are you?
We ready? Oh, of course he's going in.
Okay.
He's chasing me.
I repeat, it's the same. I repeat, it's the same.
He's coming at you.
Oh my god. Bro, he was looking at me. And when he looked at me, it looked so weird. His head turned. I don't know why, it looks so weird. Oh my god. Yo, something over here. There's something over here.
I'm coming. Oh, is this the chicken spot?
No.
No, not the chicken. Where's the chicken spot? We gotta get that back.
It's down in the sewers, but...
Hang on. Is this new? Hang on, let me see. Anything up there?
Hello, Yuki. Are you in here?
I'm falling.
I'm falling.
I'm actually stuck.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
And I actually did.
Dang.
Well, that's mostly it for right now. Hey, should we go to the whatever it's called? Hang on, I'm trying to think. Sewers?
No, cause you know what happened last time we went in there in this update.
And we don't have to bring our hook shots. I mean, we don't have to bring. We could just bring sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, this.
What?
Look behind you.
Yeah. We're also gonna add something.
Let's go.
We're gonna add. What should I name this video?
I don't know. So far, it's just normal.
Maybe I should.
We gotta go.
Maybe I should make it Animal Company Update Part 2. Cause I can't think of a good update.
I wish they opened one of those doors.
Hey, this is new. New layout. The
What?
computer used to be here.
Oh. I'm scared now. Because what if he comes out of nowhere? You know who I'm talking about.
The freak.
The most worst creature of all times. I will go in because of course I'm the host. You keep my hook shot if it's new. Well, let's hope this is new.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Dang, I'm stuck. Are you too?
Yeah. Oh no.
I'm stuck.
We might have to restart a game.
Well, we can't stop the video here.
Oh no! I got under the map!
How did you do it?
I got put under the map. So I tried to get under the map, then like the whole floor is hollow. Hold on, what if I just...
Oh, I'm out. Bro, you were the GOAT. I'm stuck.
Oh no! No! Oh no! No!
Okay, bro, it's gonna be okay. Hey.
Oh no! I'm outside the map again! I'm outside the map! And I'm eternally falling! I got put outside the map and I was just eternally falling because I spun under the map too far. Yeah, the video's still on. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do an outro when we get back in. Yep, because I'm still recording a video.
I did a new update. There's fire.
Oh my god, I'm recording in public.
There's fire around an animal company. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Animal company. And I got thrown under the map, so as you probably saw. So, yeah. Animal Company. Don't we just love it? Aaron. We're doing the outro. Alright, yeah, so basically that's gonna end the video. Bye.